Welcome, everyone. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of true wealth in 2025? If you're watching this, you've already taken the first step toward a future filled with financial freedom, personal growth, and unshakable confidence. Today, we're diving deep into true wealth strategies for 2025, a roadmap to not just surviving, but thriving in the years ahead. So grab a notebook, settle in, and let's explore what it really means to build wealth in this fast-changing world. Are you ready? Let's get started. Now, when we talk about true wealth, what do we mean? Is it just about having a big bank account, a fancy car, a mansion on a hill? Well, not exactly. True wealth is about more than just money. It's about freedom, security, and the ability to live life on your terms. It's about creating a legacy, making an impact, and finding fulfillment. And in 2025, with the world shifting faster than ever, building that kind of wealth requires a fresh approach. So today, we're breaking it down into actionable strategies you can start using right now. Let's dive into the first one. So how do you shift your mindset? Start by practicing gratitude. Every day, write down 3 things you're thankful for about your financial situation. Yes, even if it's just having a roof over your head or a steady paycheck. Then set a clear intention. Say to yourself, in 2025, I'm open to new opportunities. I'm ready to grow my wealth. It sounds simple, but this rewires your brain to spot possibilities you might have missed before. Take Sarah, for example. She was a single mom working a 9-to-5 job in 2023, barely making ends meet, but she started journaling her goals and shifting her mindset. By 2024, she'd saved enough to start a small online business. Now heading into 2025, she's on track to quit her job entirely. It all started with her thoughts. So ask yourself, what's one limiting belief about money you can let go of today? Okay, let's move on to strategy 2. Invest in the future, not the past. In 2025, the old ways of building wealth, think stashing all your cash in a savings account or betting everything on a single stock, aren't going to cut it. The world's moving too fast. Inflation's eating away at idle money, and industries are evolving overnight. So what should you do instead? First, diversify. Spread your investments across different areas: stocks, real estate, cryptocurrencies, even small businesses. But here's the key: focus on what's emerging. Look at trends shaping 2025. Artificial intelligence is booming. Companies developing AI tools are skyrocketing in value. Renewable energy? Governments are pouring billions into it. And don't sleep on digital assets. Crypto isn't just a fad, it's becoming a cornerstone of the global economy. Now, I know what you're thinking. Investing sounds risky. And you're right, it can be. But here's a pro tip. Start small and educate yourself. Read books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, or follow financial experts online. Set aside just 10% of your income to experiment with. If you're new to this, apps like Robinhood or Coinbase make it easy to dip your toes in. The point is, in 2025, the biggest risk isn't losing money, it's doing nothing at all. Let me tell you about James. In 2022, he put $500 into a little-known renewable energy startup. By 2024, that investment was worth $5,000. He didn't have millions to start with. He just paid attention to where the world was heading. What future-focused investment could you explore this year? Now let's talk about strategy 3. Build multiple income streams. Relying on one paycheck in 2025 is like riding a unicycle in a storm. It's shaky, and you're one slip away from a crash. True wealth comes from having money flowing in from different sources. Think about it. Your job might pay the bills, but what happens if it disappears? In 2025, automation and AI are reshaping industries. Jobs aren't as secure as they used to be. That's why you need a plan B, C, and D. So where do you start? Look at your skills. Are you good at writing? Start a blog or freelance on platforms like Upwork. Love photography? Sell your shots on Shutterstock. Got a spare room? List it on Airbnb. The gig economy is your playground in 2025. And if you're ambitious, think bigger. Launch an online course, start a YouTube channel, or even invest in rental properties. Here's the golden rule. Aim for at least 3 income streams: one to cover expenses, one to save, and one to reinvest. Take Maria, for instance. She's a teacher by day, but in 2024, she started selling handmade candles online and tutoring kids on weekends. By 2025, her side hustles are bringing in more than her salary. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. So what's one skill you could turn into an income stream this year? All right, strategy 4, master the art of networking. You've heard it before. Your network is your net worth. And in 2025, that's truer than ever. The people you know can open doors to opportunities you'd never find on your own. But here's the thing. Networking isn't just about collecting business cards or adding random people on LinkedIn. It's about building real relationships. Start by finding your tribe, people who share your goals or inspire you to level up. Attend events, join online communities, or even reach out to someone you admire with a thoughtful message. And don't just take, give. Offer value first. Share an idea, make an introduction, or simply listen. In 2025, collaboration is king. The lone wolf might survive, but the connected thrive. Consider Alex. In 2023, he was a broke college grad, but he started attending local entrepreneur meetups, asking questions, and offering to help with small tasks. By 2024, one of those connections landed him a partnership in a startup. Now he's heading into 2025 with equity in a growing business. Who's one person you could connect with this week to grow your network? Finally, strategy 5, protect and grow your wealth. Building wealth is one thing, keeping it is another. In 2025, with economic shifts and digital risks like cybercrime, you've got to be proactive. Start with the basics, emergency fund. Aim for 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Next, insurance, health, life, property. Don't skimp here. And if you're investing big, talk to a financial advisor about tax strategies or trusts to shield your assets. Then think growth. Reinvest your profits, whether it's into your business, the stock market, or even yourself through education. The wealthy don't hoard cash, they keep it moving. Take Lisa. She built a small fortune through real estate by 2024, but instead of sitting on it, she diversified into index funds and set up a college fund for her kids. She's protected and growing her wealth for the long haul. What's one step you can take to safeguard your finances in 2025? So there you have it, 5 powerful strategies to discover true wealth in 2025. Redefine your money mindset, invest in the future, build multiple income streams, master networking, and protect while growing your wealth. But here's the most important part. None of this works unless you take action. 2025 isn't just another year. It's your year. The world is full of opportunities and you're ready to seize them. So start today. Pick one strategy we've talked about and commit to it. Write it down, tell a friend, make it real. Wealth isn't about luck. It's about choices. And every choice you make from this moment forward can bring you closer to the life you've always dreamed of. So are you ready? I know you are. Let's make 2025 the year you redefine what's possible. Thanks for joining me. Now go out there and build your legacy.